Perky, baby, what we finna do? Talking, I'm in love, baby, don't make a fuss.
Bags. More stuff. More stuff. The babies. All these bags. They have so many stuff. So many stuff. He's so silly. Hi. Hey, Aria.
KK, Mama.
KK, Aria.
KK.
This, y'all. Look at this. Hi, Petlin. I'm vlogging. We is packing up. Oh, hey, hold in that thing there before it follows. Okay. Hi, guys. Say hi to the vlog.
I'm too cold. Oh, hi, guys.
We're all packed up here. Look at Kim. Liam is crying. I don't know why. The guys are riding together. And we're like so packed up right now. We is packed to the brim. Like, look in there. Say hi, Shad. Say hi, Uncle Lloyd. Hi, Lita.
Hi, Ari, where's your legs?
Hi, technically it's you. Sagencia.
I thought that's the car I was going to be in, but I guess not. Bye.
We have everything?
See you up there, girl. We coming back together. You supposed to be there.
I know. I got it, the car.
Supposed to be singing on karaoke.
Get in the
As I was
car.
closing the van, the door, I'm like, I hope I didn't forget anything. If I forget anything. Huh? Oh, thank
Come
you.
on, go there, try to get there. Here. This is our home for the next few days. Guys, this is one of the rooms. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is one of the rooms. We have a closet in here. We have a closet space. Just showing you guys a rough of the room. Oh well, makeup. That's right.
Jesus Christ.
Makeup. And then the towels. Look at this, guys. It is well with my soul. It is well. Kim, I'm putting you on my channel.
With my soul.
Well, all right now. Yo. The pink room. So what are we doing? Life is made of small moments like this. This is cute.
But guess what?
The pink room. Petlin is in the
We should
pink
have brought the
room.
air bed.
I told you. This is the closet. This is a cute Airbnb.
Walmart.
This is like the bigger room with a bigger bed. Look at this. Oh my god. Closet. So nice. I love it. I love it. Then we have a wallway going out. Let me show you guys the bathroom. Let's, oh, fam. Like, look at this from this POV. We have washer and dryer. We have things on the wall. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I am so in love. I love how spacious this is as well. And we have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I know. I'm disrespectful.
Hi.
Here about me.
A blog.
Black. I think we're doing that. Blah. Positive mind, positive vibes, positive. Spreading the carry gotta get my hair done, guys.
Yes, let's see. Under there. Let's see.
Let's not see. So yeah. Oh yeah, look.
I will be washing.
Me too. Let's take her off. Down, 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 down. I need to get me a sock. Down here is low-key messy, but let me show you guys the kiddies room first. What are these? Oh, yes, we can. Okay, this is the other, ooh, lights. This is the other bathroom. We got rules for ladies and gentlemen as well. We got these. I like. Look at this. Ooh, it's a little wet down here. And then this one. Oh, this is a tub. I might need to soak in that. Mirror. Let's take this off. Look at these. So nice. And we have one room here. Like, look at this. And then we have another room here. Ooh, I like that they all. That's so nice. So I have a mirror. Live more, worry less, and be happy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And here, this is the kitty's room. Light on. So cool. Like, look. And they have books. And they have their own closets. Oh, we have a baby thing and thing. Oh, we have things in here. They got a TV. Ain't no fear. That is not fear. And they have a game. This is so cool. This is so cool. So how do we work this? Oh, not things for it. Do we just throw it down? Wow. Probably my favorite room so far. Did I show you guys this one? I think I did. I love that they oh look at this. An elephant. A lot of space. Because we do have a lot of stuff. Oh, let me take out the light. Okay, walking out. We have we have a Christmas. Yeah! Christmas tree. Free goodies. Ooh. Oh wow. Our movie room. We have a lot of bags, so you're gonna see bags literally all over the place. But this is our movie room. Oh my god. And then I guess we pull down the projector. Oh, they have a game as well. They have fridge. They have games. They have popcorn machine. Popcorn. Oh, okay. Shoes. What's your tooth? Now you block it out.
We're just getting your shoes.
Just get
A muscle shirt. Because if that's a muscle shirt, you got no muscles.
Yes, I do.
Where?
Now what the
Go have a seat at the table. Yeah.
What kind of pieces?
It's almost done, Ari. It's coming. Your pizza is coming. Okay? This is gonna be your plate for your pizza.
You want the taste of biscuits? It's a
That was a little special. No, he's not. Because you're not tickling him.
Your hands are so small.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Good boy.
Smooth like this. See that, Jack?
Is it rich? Pick and play.
Damn.
I should have never did that. Should have do because I have a good cat man.
We both side.
Okay, so Bruno, yeah?
Nah, man.
It says shuffle hand. You're supposed to shuffle your own hand. So that way, why?
I ain't had that over there.
Hi, Ari.
Oh, it's my girl. She said blue. You know why you do that? My bad, girl. That's all that came out the deck.
Ni nga ganun, because I can train my whole
You
ano.
know?
My carrying on your back.
I was like, sleep, you right? You had a bed.
Yeah, man.
Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth.
Stop hitting me.
Stop it.
Stop hitting me.
So what are you doing? Yeah, fat lid.
I have a choice, that is.
Hey!
So it's to make a rule.
I have no idea.
So what's the right rules on these cards?
I bring them stuff with what I tell you.
Your mouth. Cover your mouth.
Why you doing that? It's the pepper.
I went again.